Hi everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. I am Emma, and today we are going somewhere really important. The pharmacy. Have you ever walked into a pharmacy and felt nervous? Maybe you did not know what to say, or you could not find the right medicine? Well, after today's lesson, that will never happen again. And stay until the very end, because I have a quiz for you. Can you get the right answer? Let us find out. So, what is a pharmacy? A pharmacy is a shop where you can buy medicine and get health advice. In English-speaking countries, like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, pharmacies are everywhere. You can find them on street corners, inside supermarkets, and even online. Here is why today's lesson is so important for you. You might travel abroad and get sick. You might have a friend or family member who needs help. Or maybe you just want to feel confident when you walk into a drugstore. Whether it is a headache, a cold, or a prescription from your doctor, you need to know exactly what to say. And today, I am going to teach you. Okay. Let us learn today's 5 key phrases. Repeat after me. Phrase 1. Do you have something for a headache? Use this when you need medicine for a specific problem. Example. Excuse me, do you have something for a sore throat? Phrase 2. How many times a day should I take this? Use this to ask about the dosage, how often to take the medicine. Example. How many times a day should I take this pill? Phrase 3. I have a prescription from my doctor. Use this when a doctor has given you a written order for medicine. Example. Hi, I have a prescription from my doctor. Can you fill it? Phrase 4. Are there any side effects? Use this to ask if the medicine might cause other problems. Example. Are there any side effects I should know about? Phrase 5. Do you have a generic version? Use this to ask for a cheaper, non-brand name medicine. Example. This is expensive. Do you have a generic version? Great job. Now let us use these phrases in real situations.
Excuse me, do you have something for a cold?
Of course. We have a few options. Do you have a runny nose, a cough, or a fever?
I have a runny nose and a slight fever.
In that case, I would recommend this one. It is great for those symptoms.
Thank you. How many times a day should I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 8 hours, so 3 times a day. And drink plenty of water.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Feel better soon.
Wonderful. Did you catch all of that? Let me highlight the key moments. First, Sarah said, do you have something for a cold? This is a very natural, polite way to ask for medicine. Notice she did not say I want cold medicine. She used the softer phrase, do you have something for? Then, the pharmacist asked about her symptoms. Runny nose, cough, fever. These are important vocabulary words. A runny nose means your nose is dripping. A fever means your body temperature is too high. Next, Sarah asked, how many times a day should I take it? Perfect use of phrase 2. And finally, the pharmacist said every 8 hours. This means 8 hours between each dose. 3 times a day makes sense, right? 24 hours divided by 3 equals 8 hours each time. Great job following along. Let us move to a slightly more complex situation.
Hi there. I have a prescription from my doctor. Can you fill it?
Absolutely. Let me take a look. Okay, this is an antibiotic. It will be ready in about 10 minutes. Can I get your name and date of birth?
Sure. Tom Carter, March 15, 1990.
Great, thank you. Are there any drug allergies I should know about?
Yes, I am allergic to penicillin.
Got it, I will make a note of that. The medicine I am preparing is safe for you. It is a different type of antibiotic.
Are there any side effects I should know about?
Good question. Some people feel a little nauseous. Take it with food and that should help.
Perfect, thank you.
Excellent. This situation was a little more advanced. Let us break it down. Tom said, I have a prescription from my doctor. Can you fill it? Fill a prescription is a very important phrase. It means the pharmacy prepares the medicine that your doctor ordered. We do not say make or buy a prescription. We fill it. Then the pharmacist asked about drug allergies. An allergy means your body reacts badly to something. Tom is allergic to penicillin, a type of antibiotic. This is critical information for safety. Notice Tom asked, are there any side effects I should know about? This is phrase 4 from our key phrases list. Smart, right? And the pharmacist said nauseous. Feeling nauseous means feeling like you might vomit, feeling sick to your stomach. And the tip was, take it with food, meaning eat something before or while you take the medicine. You are doing amazing. One more situation coming up, and this one has a clue for the quiz.
Hi. I have this prescription. How much will it cost?
Let me check. That will be $85.
Wow, that is quite expensive. Do you have a generic version?
Yes, we do. The generic is only $22. It has the exact same active ingredient. It works just the same.
That is perfect. I will take the generic, please.
Great choice. Take 2 capsules in the morning before breakfast, and 1 capsule in the evening after dinner. Do not take more than 3 capsules in one day.
So, 2 in the morning before eating and 1 at night after eating?
Exactly right. And keep them stored in a cool, dry place. Not in the bathroom, because humidity can affect the medicine.
Good to know. One more question. Can I drink alcohol while taking this?
I would strongly recommend avoiding alcohol while you are on this medication. It can make the side effects much worse.
Understood. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure. Any questions, feel free to call us.
Wow, that was a detailed conversation. Let me explain the most important points. First, generic version. When a medicine is first invented, it has a brand name and is expensive. After some years, other companies can make the same medicine with the same ingredient. This is called a generic. It is cheaper, but works exactly the same. Always worth asking. Next, active ingredient. This is the chemical in the medicine that actually fights your illness. Generic and brand name medicines have the same active ingredient. Then, the pharmacist said, do not take more than 3 capsules in one day. Following dosage instructions exactly is very important for your safety. And, stored in a cool, dry place. Many medicines are damaged by heat or moisture. The bathroom has a lot of steam and humidity, so it is actually not a great place to store medicine. Finally, alcohol and medication. Many medicines do not mix well with alcohol. Always check with your pharmacist. Okay, here is today's quiz question. Listen carefully. Emma C. needs to take her medicine in a specific way. According to the pharmacist, how many capsules does she take in the morning, and how many at night? But wait, here is the trick. The pharmacist also said where she should store the medicine. What was that place, and why should she not store it in the bathroom? Think carefully. Do you remember? Now it is your turn. Write your answer in the comments. I will check every single one and let you know if you got it. How many of you can get it right? Today we visited the pharmacy and learned how to ask for medicine, use a prescription, check for side effects, and even save money with a generic version. These are real skills you can use right away, whether you are traveling, studying abroad, or just helping a friend. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you will never miss a new lesson. It seriously helps me so much and I really appreciate every single one of you. Here is a little secret. I am planning something really special for next time. Where are we going? I cannot tell you yet. But if you are subscribed, you will be the first to find out. Thank you so much for spending your English time with me today. Keep practicing, keep going, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone.